Hi everyone, it's Sophie Hannah here again, and I'm taking over the Feelunique YouTube channel. Today I am going to be showing you how you can create this festival hair look. I'm loving it. It's super easy to create, and I used a couple of products from Feelunique's website, which I'll be linking for you guys below. There are still a few festivals in the UK to come, and there are so many festivals around the world, so I thought I would just inspire you guys on how you can style your hair up for your next one. So let's get going. I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. That's it. I really hope you enjoyed watching me create this festival hair look using products from Feelunique. As I said, I've linked them all below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to Feelunique's YouTube channel. You can find me at Sophie Hannah, and I'll probably see you guys in another video here soon. Peace out.